So you want to know how hard a 9/8 coating is? You want to know if it can protect against light marring, scratches, people throwing shopping carts up against your car when you're in a parking lot? This brush right here is a hard piece of plastic, okay? Harder than most of anything that's going to hit your vehicle. All right, so let's do a little test here, right? Okay, watch this panel. See the scuff marks? There you go, see that? Gone. If you have any doubts if the coating can protect your car, I think I just answered those. Put a ceramic coating on your vehicle today. Car is 5 years and newer, get a 5-year warranty. Car is 5 years and older, get a 2-year warranty. Call us to book your coating today. Get a free quote, 813-727-8902.